subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is all set to launch its new mid-range smartphone called Galaxy A21, and it will be the successor of last year's launched Galaxy A20 smartphone. Before the official launch, the upcoming Galaxy A21 smartphone renders were leaked online by Android Headlines that reveals the front and back look of the device. According to the leak renders, the Galaxy A21 supports a flat screen with a hole punch at the top left corner for selfie camera, and it has large chin at the bottom. The back of the phone looks to feature an vertically aligned quad camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash beside it. The rear camera details were not known at the moment, but it will likely include one RGB sensor as main camera, accompanied by ultra wide-angle lens plus telephoto lens and a depth sensor. The rear panel of the phone also features an fingerprint sensor for authentication. The volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge, while the bottom of the phone is not clear, but it appears to include 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy A21 has leaked so far, but it is expected to come powered by Exynos 7904 chipset, and it will run on Android 10 based on Samsung's One UI 2.0. The smartphone will feature an Infinity O display with HD+ resolution, and it will house at least 4000 mAh or more battery capacity. The device is expected to include 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage with microSD expansion support. Now, talking about the release date. According to latest report, the launch of upcoming Galaxy A21 will take place soon in the US. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy A21 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.